all, Angela Cameron here, She Brown Sugar Hair and Inspirational Lashes. She Brown Sugar, Inspirational Hair and Luxurious Lashes. There we go, there we go. Okay, you all, we're going to have to reroute some things. We're not going to be able to do the number, okay, for the conference call, all right? I just want to it's a brand new day, it's Monday, so we're just going to leave it at that. You will have to actually email me at prayerdynasty@yahoo.com. I do want to keep anything that I do concerning prayer with Prayer Dynasty. So prayerdynasty@yahoo.com. If you have any concerns or you need me to pray for any business dilemma that you may be experiencing right now, okay? And you would know if it's you that needs to contact me and what to send in. I will be doing prayer requests until possibly March the 1st, okay? That will get you through a great part of the beginning of the new year, the new era, the new decade, all right? I don't want this video to be long because I've really got a lot of stuff to do. I just put my pair of She Brown Sugar Lashes in my makeup bag because I wanted to see me bring it out. I wanted y'all to see me bring it out the bag, okay? I travel with a lot of lashes. Lashes right now in my life are just as important as to what shoe I'm gonna wear with my with my outfit, okay? So I determine, okay, now which lash do I want to wear? Which lash do I want to wear? And it's really tickling because I remember when I was younger, I would always, and that's how I still sign my name or write something to someone when I'm signing cards or whatever not. I put a smiley face and I always do the eyelashes on there. And I remember when I was like in the 6th grade, I would always write smiley faces and put eyelashes on them because I would look at the smiley face and I'd be like, that looks like a boy, that looks like a dude. So I would always put little cute eyelashes on there. So I remember one time my teacher, and I really think it was really before the 6th grade, probably as early as the 4th grade, that I did that. And I had my teacher, my elementary teacher, that's why I say the 4th grade, she called me up and she said, I just wanted to know what this picture is of. And I told her, I said, they're like eyelashes. She said, that's very unique and creative. I've never seen that before. Henceforth, years later, She Brown Sugar Luxurious Lashes. Okay, you never know, y'all, what kind of giftings that you have and why you do stuff. All right, so I always tell people, you want to find your purpose. What do you do? What do you do? Tell me something about what you do, what you love to do. Not just what you do, but what do you love to do? What do you just do naturally? And maybe I can help you, guide you. Ultimately, the decision is yours as to what you're going to do in your life. But that's a way that maybe I can help guide and steer you towards it, okay? My She Brown Sugar Lashes. I have been looking for labels. And I really, just up until a few days ago, decided I'm not going to put a label on my eyelashes. I love the expression that individuals give me when I'm blessed to have one-on-one purchases. So I'm going to leave them just like this. Now, I may put something on the back, but for right now, my business card definitely is attached with them. So, in the purchase. So, hey, it works for me for right now. It works for me for right now, okay? It works for me for right now. So you all get those prayer requests into me at prayerdynasty@yahoo.com. We're getting ready in the month of February to release and unleash, I always like to say, the Queen Esther lash. We're getting ready to release Elizabeth. We're getting ready to release Mary, Mother Jesus Mary, and we are also getting ready to release Angel Kisses during my birthday month. This is going to be one of my birthday purchases to myself. I always remember, hey, and I actually was going to release them last year. If y'all remember not on social media, I didn't know God was steering and turning me. He was steering and turning me. So I had to take a little vacay from what I'm doing now, and that's working and building my hair and eyelash company, and I'm so excited. And I'm also blessed. I'm also blessed because I can take my time and maneuver to it and through it like I really want to for right now. Also, there's something else that I really wanted to share with you all. And I don't know if I'm gonna do it right now. I may hold off on that. As a matter of fact, I know I'm gonna hold off on that. But anyway, y'all have a great one, okay? Make sure you're exercising. Make sure you are exercising. That's another thing that I started out doing, and I'm still that push you girl when it comes to exercising, y'all. It keeps stress off of you. It releases natural endorphins that make you naturally happy, and it just clears your mind. Exercising has a lot of benefits. And y'all, make sure you're drinking some great old water, okay? I got to go, you all. Y'all have a great one. And thank you, BK, for making the WAP possible. Thank you. Y'all have a great one.